Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, I'll be sharing some exciting information about a recruitment agency that can assist you in landing a job in Luxembourg completely free of charge. This agency doesn't charge you any fees to sign up or apply, as their earnings come directly from employers in Luxembourg. All you need is your CV and a cover letter to get started. They offer positions for all skill levels, whether you're unskilled, semi-skilled, or highly skilled. There's something for everyone, and applications are accepted worldwide. Luxembourg, known as the world's wealthiest country, offers competitive salaries ranging from 3,000 euros to 5,000 euros monthly, with specialized positions reaching up to 9,000 euros per month. Plus, you can bring your spouse, who will also be eligible for a work permit, allowing you both to potentially earn between 6,000 euros to 8,000 euros monthly, a substantial starting income for newcomers in a foreign country. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about a free recruitment agency for jobs in Luxembourg that you can access online. I'll discuss the employers who are actively hiring, the diverse job roles available, and provide a detailed step-by-step guide based on specific instructions from the recruiters on how to register and apply for these positions. Be sure to stick around and watch until the end. Before we start this video, if you are coming to our channel for the very first time, then please consider subscribing to our channel to get most up-to-date news, tips, and tricks about immigration. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. Be sure to subscribe, as all the information I provide is completely free. I also try to respond to all your questions in the comments section, and you can reach out to me on my social media handles on Instagram. I am getting a lot of requests on my Instagram because of number of queries I get. Still, I try to reply, so don't forget to follow us there as well. When applying through online, make sure your CV and cover letter are in the proper EU format. Without these, securing a job offer or even an interview call may prove challenging. If you want to make a CV, then watch this video in European format and find link below in description. Let's move and discuss one agency which can help you find a job in Luxembourg. The recruitment agency I'm highlighting today is LHH Luxembourg. I'll provide a link to their page in the description below. On their homepage, you can easily search for jobs by entering the job title and location. Alternatively, if you scroll down, there's an option to upload your CV, and LHH recruiters will reach out to you if your profile matches any available positions. For those looking for specific roles, simply click the link here, and you'll find a comprehensive list of job openings, including opportunities in IT sector, banking sector, HR jobs, and more. Luxembourg has a significant number of banking and finance firms, which means plenty of vacancies in these sectors. For instance, you can see opening for asset manager position, senior buyer. For example, I will click on recruitment consultant. You'll notice it's a direct hire role. This indicates that you'll be employed directly by the company with no job agent involved. This setup may differ for temporary or contract roles where staffing agencies are responsible for your employment. You'll find detailed information about the company, LHH, right here. And if you scroll down, you can check out the job responsibilities and requirements. If you scroll further down, there are contact details available if you have any questions about the position, along with the job ID displayed as well. It's crucial to take note of this job ID, as it will play an important role in your application process. To submit your application, simply click the Apply button for the job you're interested in. This action will open a new window displaying a unique job number. Make sure to remember this job number, as it will serve as your reference point for all communications with the company. If you are able to communicate in French or German along with English, then it will increase your chances to get selected. Let's move. Next, you'll need to upload your CV, which you can do from your device, Google Drive, or Dropbox. whichever location you have it saved. Before you upload, ensure that your CV is in the correct format and contains all the essential keywords mentioned in the job listing. If you're unsure about the format or the keywords to include, feel free to reach out to us and we can help create these documents for you at a minimal cost. Also, remember to keep your CV file size under 3 MB. For instance, if you're uploading your CV from your device, click on the option for your device, select the CV you want to upload and hit open. Your CV will then upload and you'll receive a confirmation message along with the job number once again. Make sure to keep that in mind. After that, the process is quite simple. You'll just need to fill in a few personal details. If you scroll down, you'll find a section for attachments where you should upload your cover letter and nothing else. In total, you'll be submitting just 2 documents, your CV and your cover letter. That's all. Then tick the consent boxes provided and click on Confirm and Apply. You have the option to opt out of marketing communications, but I recommend against it since many job vacancies are shared through these channels. Once you submit your application, you'll get a confirmation email and the employer will provide further details regarding your virtual interviews. I hope you guys find my videos useful. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. If you like our video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your applications.